What is going on, everybody? My name is Miles. Welcome back to my channel. This will be the second Saddlemen video that I do. Alright guys, so here's the seat. I think it's important to note that shipping times everywhere are going to be delayed. I mean, if you're shipping it to your house, things are probably going to still be delayed. If you're ordering something through the dealership, if it's coming from Harley, we're telling customers 7 to 10 business days. So it's going to take a little bit longer than normal. I ordered this through Drag Specialties, and they have warehouses all over. So this came from the New York warehouse, and it took about 2 weeks, when normally it would have taken probably about a week. As many of you guys know, I've done a Saddlemen seat before for the Sportster. If you haven't seen that video, you can go check it out. But yeah, I decided to stick with Saddlemen. I was looking at Lepera, but I was extremely satisfied with the Saddlemen for the Sportster. So we're going to take a look at this. I'm going to install it on the bike, and then we're going to jump back to the vlog. I also got this fender seat nut kit from Harley, part number 59768-97. I didn't know if I would need it or not for the rear fender, so yeah, the seat looks really good. So when you get the Saddlemen, you're gonna get the bracket here turned inside, and they tell you to rotate it. So, alright, I was wrong then. You don't need to get a new seat nut kit. You reuse your existing one. So now I have an extra seat nut, which will come in handy. I guarantee it. Oh yeah, if anybody's interested, I have a stock seat for sale. I've got Sportster stock mufflers for sale. I've got stock Street Bog mufflers for sale. I've got all kinds of leftover stuff from the Sportster for sale. If anybody's interested, let me know. Alright, we've got the bike on the seat. We've got the bike on the seat. We've got the seat on the bike. Gosh, Miles, get it together, man. Now we're going to jump back to the vlog. Alright guys, so here we are back on the bike. So I looked at a couple different seats when I decided to get a seat from the Street Bob. I was looking at Lepera's, and I just came to the conclusion that, you know, I was really happy with the Saddlemen on the Sportster. And it's got that gel core in it. And Lepera does not offer a gel core, or at least they don't advertise it. But again, this seat is really comfortable. You guys saw I went with the tuck and roll. Man, it is beautiful outside. Oh, and the bike's already broken in, by the way. So put the 500 miles on it. Let's see where we're at now. 564. So yeah, it's fully broken in. I've opened it up a couple times. It's still, you know, stock air cleaner and just some slip-on mufflers, but it's definitely got the power. Anyways, Saddlemen seat. There it is down there, tuck and roll. The diamond stitch one, I mean, it was pretty cool, but I just like the tuck and roll style better. So the next move is going to be some passenger pegs and a sissy bar. But my first impressions about this seat are that it raises you up a little bit than the stock Street Bob seat. You know, on that stock Street Bob, on the stock Street Bob's Jeez, man, I cannot talk. On the stock Street Bob seat, you feel like you're low, like on a bobber, you know? It's a low kind of cool feeling. And my first impression of this seat is it raises you up a little bit. I was not expecting that. I didn't think about that. I don't have too much of a problem with that. It is a little stiff, of course. You got to break it in. I'd say 70 miles it'll be broken in. But again, I get that feeling where I'm locked into place. When I roll on the throttle, you know, the kick up, the step up, it locks you into place. And you feel secure, which is what I was going for, and comfort. When I did the Saddlemen seat on the Sportster, it was one of the later modifications that I did. So, and I really was happy with it. So this time around with the Street Bob, you know, I'm like, I want to do this one as one of the first modifications. And I am happy with it. It's an exquisite seat, like I said before. I consider this seat to be top of the line in the market right now. You're not going to find a better seat as far as style and comfort. It's a good mix of the both. I'm trying to think of anything else that I want to go over about the seat in this video. I guess if you're looking into buying a seat for your bike and it's a Street Bob and you're watching this video, I highly suggest getting the Saddlemen Step Up. Tuck and roll or the Diamond Edition, whichever route you want to take. Ooh, horsies. Yeah, whichever route you want to take, I definitely recommend Saddlemen. Leperos look good, but I don't know how they feel, and I haven't heard from anybody else about how they feel. I've heard like comments on posts and stuff like, yeah, I love my seat, but nothing that really convinced me to get one. So again, if you're new to my channel, I put videos out pretty frequently. I would really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe. It really makes me happy and makes me want to continue to make videos for you guys. I have a lot of stuff planned with the Street Bob, so I hope you tune in. Thanks for watching again. Get out there and get a Saddlemen on your bike, and happy riding. Ride fast, take chances. I'll see you in the next video, guys. Peace, and hang loose and rock on.